Welcome back to the woodshed, folks. I've got a little project that's going to involve putting this wood veneer on this plywood, and I need to know how thick it's going to be. The question is, how much thickness will a layer of glue add? I don't know, so I thought maybe you guys would want to see this experiment as well. I'll measure both of these pieces in like 4 spots to get an average with my finest Chinesium dial calipers. Then we'll glue this up and see how thick the total thickness is compared to those 2 previous measurements added together. The reason I'm doing an average is because you'll find with plywood in particular, it's not a super consistent thickness. So let's see what happens. Alright, for the plywood, let's mark 4 spots that we're going to measure. We've got 0.472, 0.470, 0.474, 3, 0.473, and finally, nope, 473. Alright, same thing with the veneer. Well, actually right on the surface of it. This being ash, my measurements across the grain and with the grain may be different. 0.039, 0.038, 0.036, and finally 0.036. Okay, look back on this video. Let's glue it up, clamp it, and see what we got.
This is wood on wood veneer, so not only does that give me bonus hipster points, but I imagine it will absorb more glue than other backings.
Spread some on here too to make sure it's filling the pores. Alright. And I'm just going to clamp that with a caul like so. And I'll come back to it tomorrow. But you'll be seeing the results in a few seconds. Alright, today is the next. Let's see how this measures out. Oh, one little side note, I got a little distracted when I clamped this up. Lesson learned. And it slipped crooked very quickly and easily, so that's something I've got to watch for very carefully on the final product. Let's see if I can keep this in frame a little better this time. Measurements are 0.511. Try that again, 0.514. 0.5176. 0.514. Alright, let's get an average on that and see how things add up.
Well, like a dummy, I wasn't careful to measure each of those spots in order, but thanks to the magic of video, I was able to sort things out. So here's our data, and if you look on the far right, there is the thickness presented by the glue. This 5/1000ths of an inch will of course vary from glue to glue and wood species to wood species, but now at least we know it's something we have to consider. Thanks for watching.